Hey everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with another do-it-yourself video, and this time is to restore your solar lights. If you look at the top part where the charging cells are, they tend to fog up. You'll see the cover here. So I'm going to show you how to restore them back to normal and to get your solar lights up and ready for the springtime. So here's the top parts of my solar powered lawn lights, and as you can tell, the top part where the charging cells are, the cover starts to fade or fog up, and that's just over time the plastic just starts to fog up. And I figured instead of throwing these away, I'd try and restore them. So I thought I'd use these headlights lens restorer. I've had this around to use for my car headlights. So the first step is to put this compound in. So just put a little bit of the compound on top here. Okay, and then just kind of rub it. I have this old toothbrush. Just rub it around. Just spread that out. Kind of start rubbing it out. You want to kind of let it absorb the plastic, absorb that compound there. So just kind of see, you can start to see, start to clear up. Just keep rubbing away. Kind of let it sit there for a little bit. All right, I've rubbed the compound on there, let it sit. So now I'm just gonna rub this off. Can't do it with two hands, but let's just rub this off. All right, so I've rubbed it off with a rag. This one's pretty bad, but you can start to see the solar cell again. And then now it's supposed to say, it says to spray the lubricant spray. So let's spray that. And then it says to take the green pad and just kind of start to rub it away. Rub it. You can start to see it a little bit getting more restored. Just keep rubbing away. I'm going to do this with two hands. All right, I rubbed that with the green pad. Now you can kind of just see it has restored it better. All right. Now you use the brown pad, and you're supposed to scrape some more. I'm going to use both my hands with this one. So here you have it, all restored again. This one's not as good. I might have to work on that one a little bit more, but there you have it. You can get these. I've also heard that if you take clear nail polish and just rub it onto that and paint it on there, it'll actually clear up that fog. But I think this is a better way. You can scrape off the fog from that cover, and it stores it. Work in order.